Hi, I'm Jojo. I help clients around the world create and customize their own products in China. Today, I'm inspecting an LCD mobile screen order for one of my clients in the US. This is actually his first time building his own brand. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to make a short documentary and show you how a product goes from an idea to a finished shipment. Let's take a look behind the scenes. When it comes to mobile phone screens, the first thing you need is the correct model compatibility. But that's usually not the only thing on your mind. You may already have requirements for quality, whether you want original grade quality or a more cost-effective option. You may care about touch sensitivity, brightness, color accuracy, and overall display performance. Maybe you also want your own logo, custom packaging, or even have a rough sketch or a few notes about your brand. That's a great start. And if you can organize those ideas into a simple product specification sheet, even a basic one, it will make the process much easier. Once I receive that information, my job begins. I help turn your idea into a real product. Now let me show you what actually happens inside the factory. First, the factory sources the materials according to your required screen models and prepares the production line. You'll see the automated production line in action. Material loading to cleaning, to OCA, lamination to glass bonding, to pressing, to bubble removal, to protective film application. If any defects are detected during production, the machines automatically separate those units from the line. Every screen also goes through a backlight inspection process. This helps us identify issues such as poor touch performance, dead spots, light leakage, or display inconsistencies. Qualified screens receive a blue inspection label. Defective products are separated and stored individually. And here's something important. Every screen carries a traceability code from the factory. If a quality issue ever occurs, we can track the production record and provide after-sales support more efficiently. Before shipment, every screen goes through another round of quality control. Then we move on to the customization stage. Clients prepare their own branded screen protectors, cleaning kits, and retail packaging. But if you don't have those ready, that's not a problem. My company has a professional design team that can help create custom packaging and branding materials for you. The screens are then fitted with branded protective films carrying the client's logo. Workers assemble the accessories according to the customer's requirements. You don't need to manage all these steps yourself, and you definitely don't need to fly to China. Just send me your idea and I'll handle the rest. Whenever I inspect mobile screens, I always focus on the details. Is there dust trapped under the protective film? Are there any bubbles? Is the color consistent? Are there any bright spots or display defects? These small details matter because they directly affect your brand reputation. I remember one project where the packaging supplier used the wrong protective film size. I asked them to correct it and keep adjusting it until it matched all of our screen models perfectly. Because when you're building a brand, cutting corners is never a good strategy. Quality requires attention and commitment. Throughout production, I also send my clients photos and videos to keep them updated. You don't need to be on site. I supervise the factory remotely and make sure you always know what's happening with your order. So, if you're thinking about starting your own mobile phone parts business or creating your own brand, now is a great time to begin. Leave a comment below with the word brand, and I'll reach out to you. I'm Jojo, your trusted business partner in China. See you in the next video.